In this video, I'll show you how to clear cache in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut on your computer. Before clearing the cache, make sure any project you are working on is saved and close any export or upload process that may still be running. Once CapCut is open, look for the Settings menu. This is usually shown as a gear icon, or it may appear inside your Profile menu, depending on your version of CapCut PC. Click Settings, then look for a section called Cache, Storage, Performance, or Project Settings. In this area, CapCut may show how much temporary data is being used on your computer. Now find the option that says Clear Cache, Delete Cache, or Clean Up. Click it, then confirm your choice if CapCut asks for permission. This will remove temporary files that CapCut uses while editing, such as preview data, downloaded resources, and other cached files. Clearing cache can help if CapCut is running slowly, taking up too much storage, freezing, or showing old preview files. It does not usually delete your saved projects, but it is still a good idea to double-check that your important projects are saved before cleaning anything. If you cannot find the cache option inside CapCut, close the app and check your computer storage manually. On Windows, open Settings, then go to System and choose Storage. From there, you can clean temporary files. You can also search your computer for CapCut folders, but be careful not to delete project files unless you are sure what they are. After clearing the cache, reopen CapCut and check if it runs smoother. Some previews or downloaded effects may need to reload the next time you open a project. Finally, continue editing as normal and repeat this process whenever CapCut starts using too much storage or feels slow. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.